Wacom Intuos Pro Medium Bluetooth Graphics Drawing Tablet is a professional-grade creative tool designed for illustrators, designers, and photo editors who demand precision, speed, and natural pen control. Its compact yet powerful design makes it ideal for both studio and mobile workflows. Precision Graphics Tablet Performance. This tablet uses trusted Pro Pen technology, delivering exceptional accuracy for detailed illustration, image editing, and design work. It's built for long creative sessions, maintaining consistent performance and smooth control throughout your workflow. Ultra-responsive Wacom Pro Pen 2. The included Pro Pen 2 features 892 levels of pressure sensitivity and is completely battery-free. Its ergonomic design provides a natural pen-on-paper feel, allowing precise control over line thickness, opacity, and brush dynamics. Compact Bluetooth design. With built-in Bluetooth connectivity, the tablet offers a clean, cable-free setup. Its compact size, combined with touch gestures and programmable controls, allows you to work comfortably while keeping your desk clutter-free. Productivity-boosting controls. Stay in your creative flow with 8 customizable ExpressKeys, a touch ring, and pen side switches. These shortcuts, along with multi-touch gestures, help speed up common actions like zooming, rotating, and tool switching. Wide OS compatibility. The tablet is fully compatible with Windows and Mac OS, making it a versatile choice for professionals working across different systems and creative software platforms. Included creative software offers. When you register your Intuos Pro, you receive 3 months of Capture One and 3 months 250 GB of MASV file transfer, available for customers in the Americas, adding extra value to your creative toolkit. Overall, the Wacom Intuos Pro Medium delivers a perfect balance of portability, precision, and professional features. Backed by the industry-leading quality of Wacom, it's an excellent choice for creators who want reliable, high-performance digital drawing and design tools.